In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ServBank account for the year 2025, step by step, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free registration process. Whether you're new to ServBank or simply need a refresher on how to set up an account, follow along as we go through each step in detail. To get started, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type in ServBank login and press enter. This will promptly display various search results related to ServBank. Look for the link that says ServBank Login and click on it. This link will take you to ServBank's official login page. Once there, you'll notice a welcoming message on the site. Welcome, we're glad you're here. This inviting dialogue is an excellent confirmation that you've reached the correct platform. Click on this message to proceed further into the registration process. Next, you'll be directed to the login page. Here, you'll see an option that says Create One Today. This option is specifically for individuals who do not have an existing account and need to start their ServBank journey. Click on Create One Today to initiate the creation of your new account. At this point, you will be brought to a new page that might look a bit intimidating at first with various fields, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each one. You'll begin by simply clicking on Next to advance to the portion where you'll input your personal information. Let's start by entering your username. Choose a unique name that fits you best or something you'll easily remember. This will be your identification within the ServBank system, so take a moment to think of something suitable. After selecting your username, proceed by typing in your email address. This should be an active email that you frequently check, as ServBank will use it to send vital communications and verifications. Once you've entered your email, you'll need to confirm it. Retype the email address to ensure there are no errors. The next step involves setting up a password. Remember, your password is your key to account security, so make it strong and secure. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After you've chosen your password, type it in once more to confirm it's correct. This double entry helps prevent any potential typos that could cause login issues later. Lastly, click on Next to proceed to the final step of the registration, where all your information will be reviewed and verified. And there you have it. By following these simple instructions, you're well on your way to fully enjoying all the financial benefits and conveniences that ServBank has to offer.